The best trading platform in the UK for beginners. Let's do this. Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Now let's start off with who am I? Well, my name is Enda and I run this channel called Enda Trading. About a year and 8 months I started. And I started trading like about 2 years. I started to start learning about trading. And the platform I'm going to show you today is the platform that helped me get started in trading. Forward on 2 years, and I have just left my job to start day trading full time. But this platform I'm going to show you is perfect for beginners. It has for long-term, especially investors or traders, swing traders, and you can even day trade on the platform. Not only that, you can even do some copy trading. And I'll go through that now in the video. And thanks very much for joining, and let's go. So the top trading platform for beginners in the UK for me is Etoro, and I'm going to be telling you why that is and why I think it is. So I put it here now. You can see here Etoro. I'm sure you've seen the ads on the internet. They're on all over YouTube. If you search for stocks, etc., you get ads on Etoro. But it's a long-term trading platform. It's been set up in 2007 by a man called Yanni Ashia and his brother Ronan Ashia. But I put it here as a long-term and copy trading platform. Now you can do day trading and everything like that on it. So Etoro is currently one of the top trading platforms in the UK. It's very popular in the UK and in Europe, and it just started to release in the USA in some states. Now, the good thing about Etoro is that it's one of the first platforms in the UK to offer 0% commission on stocks, okay? And it is the leading copy trading service in the UK. So copy trading is just you're copying other people's investments, portfolios, and when they trade, you trade also. So Etoro for UK residents, the pros and cons. Let's see, it says commission-free stock trading, as I said. Now you do get charged spread fees, which is the difference between the buy and sell price. Some people say that Etoro is quite expensive, but their trading platform is very advanced. It's very easy for beginners, so you're going to pay a little bit more for the services that you get, and I'll show you that later on in the video. But if we're looking here, so it has the copy trading features, and that just means really you can copy other traders' trades. And it's easy to use, modern website and app. As you can see here, if you want to buy a stock, you just click in there. I'll let that load up. Seamless account opening. It's very easy to sign up. And guys, if you want to sign up for a free practice account, I'll leave a link in the description and you can try Etoro for free, risk-free. It's got the low first time deposit, only £10. So like if you skip your coffee or lunch for one day, and you can even start trading. It's got fractional shares. Okay, so that just means you can buy part of the share, because a lot of the platforms out there, you have to buy the whole share. So let's say a share of Apple is 1,000, you have to buy one share. But on Etoro, you can invest £10 into Apple, so you'll have a percentage of that share. Okay, you have the research and free trading school, which is really nice features too. And I'll go through that. But look at his reviews here. It's got 15,589 and it has great by Trustpilot. But let's look at Trustpilot here, as you can see. So look at the reviews here. So far, so good. I've been on Etoro platform for nearly 2 years buying crypto. Easy to navigate. I have a couple of issues I need advice on, and they're prompt and helpful to help me out. So far, so good. Now, you'll see a lot of these reviews here of the people that are mostly, they don't read the terms and conditions. Now, this person is saying they're in the UK, but like on this Trustpilot, they're not verified, so they can really say anything. But he says he signed up through free cash using Etoro. That's not even correct. So he followed all the instructions. I never heard of this free cash. It's probably a scam, so people scam them, but it wasn't even Etoro. I haven't seen any sign up bonus, but I've seen, watch out for scams out there. Make sure you use a legitimate website. I think this guy got mixed up in a scam or something like that. Everything about our experience on Etoro, creating our business account was smooth. So that's a business user there. All 5+ is there. Let's come down here. Google can save wasted time. If I wish to rate my account manager, give him 5 stars. Very helpful. Oh, these are really good reviews here. Is there any bad reviews? Let's look here. Etoro daylight robbery. Etoro app doesn't work. Not fit for purpose. Lost money. Cleared cookies. Couldn't close trades. Now, a lot of these reviews are for people that don't know how to use the app. Don't really have much experience. Now, not every platform is perfect, but I've never had any issues with Etoro at all. Like, I don't know, like people don't know how to use and they lose money and they can't trade and they don't know what they're doing and then they just blame Etoro. Spam social media. I've been using Etoro a few months now, quite satisfied with the overall function. One enormous turn off is the overload of daily spam posted on the social media aspect. Now, I do agree with this. I don't even really follow the newsfeed, the social media aspect of it. And I'll go through that with you at the moment. But you can turn off your notifications for that, etc. And you can put your account to private. And you only get messages from people you follow or the stocks and stuff that you follow. So again, if people kind of knew more about Etoro or how to use it, there's ways to stop this. Software is very user-friendly, reliable, either on version on mobile or web, and I agree. I've even day traded on my mobile. So overall, Etoro gets mostly good reviews. As I said, excellent 56 reviews. And a lot of these bad reviews here are people don't know what they're doing and really don't really have any experience in trading. And that's why you need to use the practice account first. But let's go back to my website here. So what can you trade on Etoro? So you can trade stocks, ETFs, CFDs, commodities, cryptos, and currencies with Etoro. And it's very easy to do that. You can just come to the Discover page here. And you can see here you have Explore Stocks. You just click on it and you select whatever one, or you can search up here what you want, like Apple, etc. So there's actually 2,981 stocks from leading exchanges in the world, such as London, NASDAQ, Hong Kong, Paris, and many more. So all around the world, you can trade stocks from different exchanges. There's over 70 cryptocurrencies, including the big players and some of the smaller cryptocurrencies. There's 264 of the largest ETFs from Vanguard, iShare, SPDF, and many more. 32 commodities like gold, silver, oil, wheat, cotton, and sugar. And all of the top indices such as the UK 100, NASDAQ 100, one of my favorites, SPX 500, so that's the S&P 500, the Germany 40, and China 50, Australia 200. So 49 currency pairs, so Great Britain USD, Euro USD, and the copy trading lets you automatically copy the trades of traders you choose in your own account, okay? To put it simply, it is trading on financial markets with the help of traders from all over the world. So next, let's look at what are Etoro fees. Okay, so as I said, you can open a free account. I'll leave a link in the description for that, a free demo account. No management fees and 0% on stocks. Okay, no markup, ticketing fees or stamp duty, only bid-ask market spreads. So that's the market spread price. That's how Etoro makes most of its money. They have crypto. When you buy and sell crypto on Etoro, you pay a 1% fee. Okay, so you have the conversion fee. Now, Etoro works in US dollars, so you're going to have to, once you invest with UK pound, it's going to be converted to USD. But Etoro has launched the Etoro Money account, so it's like a debit card, like Revolut, where you don't get charged them fees, or you can actually even use Revolut to avoid them fees also. Okay, so any deposit will be turned into USD, as I said, and you'll be charged a fee for doing this, but you can avoid them fees, as I said. You have a withdrawal fee, so every time you withdraw money, you get a $5 fee. Now the minimum for me is $50 to withdraw, and so I get charged $5 each time. So I'd be 55 I get charged. So you have overnight and weekend fees on CFD trading. So this means if you trade anything that you don't own the underlying asset, or if you use leverage, you're going to, or short a stock, meaning you're selling it, betting the price is going to go down, you're going to get overnight and weekend fees. So eToro, like the majority of other CFD trading platforms, charges overnight and weekend fees, which are essentially a tiny cost for lending you money to store the asset. Okay, so spread fees are incurred when you purchase any asset or instrument on eToro, including stocks and other assets. So that's just the difference between the buy and sell price. So if you buy a stock for $10, you sell it straight away, it might be $10.07, and that 7 cents goes to eToro. And this one here, I don't know how often, just watch out for this inactive fee. So if you don't log in for a year, eToro will charge you $10 a month for inactivity fee. Okay, some of the frequently asked questions about the eToro. So what is the minimum deposit on eToro? The minimum deposit is £10 with using a credit card or debit card, PayPal, and it's usually instant. And the minimum deposit using a bank transfer is $500, and it can take 2 to 3 days. Now, when you start off with your first deposit, it could take a little bit longer, but just keep that in mind. But once the bank recognizes eToro, it's pretty instant. So where is eToro based? So eToro has an office, and they have it in 1 Canada Square, Canary Wharf in London, but our main office is in Israel. Okay, so is eToro regulated? Yes, the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, governs eToro UK Limited. Okay, so let's come back to the platform here. So this is my demo account here. You can see up here, it's home, watch list, portfolio, discover, and you can switch between your real and demo account here. So real money just means the real cash. But let's just say I wanted to invest in Apple. I just put in Apple there. And you can just click on trade. And it's so easy. So let's say I wanted to buy. So the stock market's closed today because it's the 4th of July. And remember, the stock market opens at 9:30. The US stock market opens at 9:30 to 4:30 US time, and the UK in their respective times. So let's just say I wanted to put in the minimum $10. Okay. So I want to buy here, and so all you do is click, you can set your take profit and stop loss, and just click set order. And that's how easy it is, guys. And that will buy that stock when the market opens. But if the market was open, that would buy it straight away. As you can see here, it's very nicely laid out. It's kind of like Apple design or googly design, but you can see here all of the tickers up there. Now let's go through a topic that I know for beginners, especially for myself when I started out. Who am I going to trust my money with? My hard-earned money while I was working. So this part of the video is called, Is eToro Safe? Okay. So, as I said, it's an Israel-based platform. It has more than over 25 million users worldwide. Now, they're registered users, so not all traders. There might be like 3 million people that actually actively trade. Okay, so now, as I said, it is regulated in the UK, so you don't have to worry about that. And eToro manages over 9.4 billion. Okay, now these figures could change on the date, but that's a massive amount of money to be managing. And the company has never reported a security breach or client money loss, was never been hacked, etc. So this trading platform is regulated, okay, and it handles billions of dollars safely. So how does eToro account security work? So eToro invests a lot of time and money into the account security. TLS encrypts all data you send to eToro, so all your data is encrypted. So eToro protects its data with firewalls and cold storage. It hires hackers, okay, to find firewall flaws for bugs, etc. It has multi-factor authentication, okay, so you can set up 2-factor authentication on your phone. and they've even released a facial login now, etc. It has cybersecurity professionals monitoring eToro network 24/7 for hacks and data leaks. Okay, so that's just some of the security that's behind eToro. I've never had a problem or heard anything about eToro getting attacked or hacked or anything like that. But I'll go through how also your money is protected. So eToro revenue and profit. So it makes most of its money, 87%, through spread fees, as I said earlier in the video. So if eToro goes bankrupt, eToro's structure is similar to most brokers. Your securities are held in segregated bank accounts. So that means that your money that's in your accounts, your available balance, is actually stored in a separate bank account for your account. So it's away from your platform, etc. So in practice, if they went bankrupt, you might have to wait months to years for the financial authorities to identify your assets and transfer them to another broker. So let's say your Apple stocks, if they went bankrupt, they will be transferred back to you to another broker that you can sell or etc. or just keep holding. And so also with the money that's in your account, if they go bankrupt, this will be returned to you minus administration fees. Okay, so this will be faster. But the good thing is you're protected there. So regulation-based investor compensation. So the one we're looking at here, so the FCA in the UK here, they cover up to 85,000, okay? So they will compensate, the FSCS will compensate investors up to 85,000 for UK. So that is your protection there in the UK. So you're going to get, if they go bankrupt and they don't have the money to pay you back, this regulatory department will pay you 85,000. Also, eToro recently launched this in the last 2 years, free €1 million or 1 million Great Britain pounds to UK residents. And this is run by Lloyd's of London. And everyone knows Lloyd's, one of the world's leading insurance providers. So it'll cover up to £1 million. And all eToro clients get this automatically, so you don't have to register. And the policy covers losses due to eToro bankruptcy, misconduct by eToro or its employees, or theft of financial instruments. Now, one thing to note here, if you're trading Bitcoin or crypto, these aren't covered by these insurance or the FCA because they're not regulated in the UK. Okay, or anywhere really. My thoughts. Okay, I think eToro is safe. It's easy to use to trade crypto, other assets. The social trading feature makes it stand out from other exchanges and brokers. So if you don't want to have time or experience, or don't want to learn about trading, you can just copy other traders and let them do the hard work for you. You can follow traders from all around the world, chat with them, copy their trades. A beginner can trade like a pro. It's fun and it can help you learn to make money, or like with all trading, you can lose money too. So just be wary of that. You can also use leverage and short. So you can use your leverage to increase your strength of your investment or how much you're investing with. But I wouldn't advise leverage for beginners and shorten either for beginners. That means that you're betting that the price will go down. But we're in a bear market now, so a lot of people are shorting the market. So be smart with your investment. So it's an all-in-one trading platform, unique features. Okay, and I think the features make up for the price of the spread fees. Overall, I give it a 5 out of 5. Overall, probably might change that to a 4.5. Yeah, out of 5. Because of the spread fees, and the feed can be a bit spammy, the social feed, like Facebook it is. So if you would like to try eToro risk-free, why not try a free demo account? And I'll leave the link in the description, as I said. So there we go, guys. Let's move on to the next part. Okay, guys, before I round up this video, the best trading platform in the UK, I am going to just show you the news feed that I think is quite spammy, and I don't really pay attention to this news feed. It's just like Facebook, and people can tag in assets, but you can turn this off by unfollowing these assets, but the assets you invest in will show up here, what people comment about them. And this is the eToro online trading school. Now, to be honest, I have never used this, but that could be good for beginners because I did a course myself on trading separate from eToro. And I also run this group, UK eToro Traders, on Facebook. You can go check that out, eToro UK Traders. And I try and help out people here with any questions, and other people help them out too. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can join me over there. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you want me to make more of these videos, please like and subscribe for so I know that I can make more videos on different platforms, etc. And remember, if you want a free demo trading account, I'll leave the link in the description. You can come here and you just click on here. Let's get started. And it's easy to sign up. Just type in remember to pick a unique username, that because you can't change that afterwards. And you just put in your email address, and that will get you access to the demo account. You don't have to put in anything else. Now, if you want to do real money, you'll have to upload your ID and your proof of address, etc. But I made videos on that too. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love. Thanks very much for watching, and have a great day ahead. Bye.